We start with the pencil Graph Gear 1000. When you compare with the other mechanical pencils, the pencil is longer. For instance, I got here a rod ring, and when you compare this mechanical pencil with this one, pencil is longer. And this is another comparison with the unit Kurotoga. Pencil is still longer. Pencil is a Japanese mechanical pencil. When you compare with the other mechanical pencils, I mean the pencils that I have here, it feels a little bit heavier. When you push the rear button, the lead comes out. When you press the pocket clip, the entire metal tip snaps back inside. Let's draw here temporary horizon. On door here. Still I'm using pencil mechanical pencil. Let's draw another house here. Small house, beautiful house here. Now here a bit could be darker here. And here also could be darker here. By the way, the pencil has an eraser here at the rear of the pen. You can use this eraser. The house on the ground, casting shadow. The eraser of the pencil works perfect. Really good and smooth. So this Japanese mechanical pencil is good. Highly recommended. The next pencil is rod ring 600, 0.5 millimeters. This is a German mechanical pencil. The next one is rod ring 600. This is rod ring 600. I got a 0.5 millimeters here. Country of origin, Germany. Material full metal body. The shape is here, not here. Hexagonal, so 6 sides. It doesn't roll off your table. It's solid and it's a little bit heavy, just like the pencil. When you compare with the pencil and the rod ring, pencil is longer than rod ring. When you push here at the bottom, the lead comes out. It has also eraser here at the end of the pencil. The diameter is also smaller than the pencil. Unlike the pencil, this pencil doesn't go inside. It's fixed and very sharp. Okay, let's draw a tree here. Careful not to drop it, since the metal tip doesn't retract. It can bend easily if it hits the floor. We continue with the rod ring 600, 0.5 millimeters, rod ring 600. Let's try the eraser again of this mechanical pencil. Yeah, it works really well. Let's make here this part a little bit darker. Yeah, just like the pencil. Actually, this is also good. I really like it. Small trees, or here, a bit far away. I'm still using a rod ring. Let's make a shadow here, shadow of the tree. Okay, shadow is too much here. Let's use the eraser again. Beautiful. You see, it works really good. Nice pen. The next one is Mitsubishi Uni, or Mitsubishi Uni. I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. 0.5 millimeters I got here. Country of origin, Japan. Body material, lightweight, back plastic body with a metal grip. So this side is metal and this side is lightweight black plastic, and it's really light, really light. The tip style is fixed, so it doesn't retract. It's lightweight, budget friendly. This is also Japan, made in Japan. It feels really good, really good. The pencil is a bit heavier than this, and the root ring also, it's a bit heavier than this, but this is really light. This pencil has also eraser at the rear of its body. Let's try to use eraser here. You see, it works, functions really well. Really good. Nice mechanical pen. I'm really happy with this pen. This pencil is really good. Perfect, actually. The diameter is good. Light. The holding place, this part is beautiful. I mean, your finger do not slip here. It's really a beautiful pencil and affordable, not expensive. Okay, so let's use the eraser again. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful pen, nice pen. I like it. Mitsubishi Uni. Okay, the next one is Mitsubishi Uni Kurutoga. This is also 0.5 millimeters. Mitsubishi Uni Kurutoga. This is 0.5 millimeters. The country of origin is Japan. The body is light and plastic, so it's really light, just like the other Mitsubishi Uni. There is a special feature about this pen. It has an internal engine with the gears that spins the lead. What Kurutoga means, Kuru means turning and Toga means sharpening. The amazing thing about this pencil is its self-sharpening engine. Every time you press the pencil down to write or to draw, the internal gears spin the lead just a tiny bit. This makes sure the lead wears down evenly into a perfect cone shape, so your lines stay sharp and never get blurry. The lead rarely breaks because the tip stays shaped like a cone, not a flat edge. It's really light. Maybe lighter than the other Mitsubishi Uni. When you compare the all the pencils so far, the pencil is still the longest. But this one, Mitsubishi Uni Kurutoga, is probably the lightest. But when it comes to diameter, this is the smallest one. This pen also has a razor here. Let's try. Yeah, you see, as you can see, the razor works really good. Plastic barrel, plastic clip, and plastic grip. Top the clip Zebra is our next pencil. It is plastic and it's from Japan. It's really light. The diameter is okay, not so big and not so small. This pencil has also eraser. Okay, let's use eraser for this area. Okay, not bad, not bad. So what is my experience with this last pencil? It functions really good. It's light, easy to use, affordable. So even looks cheap, it works really well. But here, from now on, I use all mechanical pencils. Sometimes I use Rotring, sometimes Mitsubishi Uni. We are lucky now. Why? Because there are many different options. I mean, mechanical pencil brands out there, and they are mostly affordable, so not expensive, and with a proper price you can have really good a mechanical pencil. Yeah. Just using 0.5 millimeters, nothing more and nothing less. The purpose of this video is actually mechanical pencil, not drawing, but by doing so you get some kind of idea, you know. With the mechanical pencils, just at 0.5 millimeters, you can do a lot of stuff, as you can see here. Okay, that's it for today. We're talking about mechanical pencils. The drawing is complete, it's finished, I guess. That's it for today. I hope we see each other in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.